In this video, we'll solve a question for determining the probabilities of the standard normal distribution and also indicate it on the symmetric curve, the curve associated with the normal distribution. Now we have a question, let Z be a random variable with the standard normal distribution, and this is given. So what we need to do, we are asked to find this, the probability of this, and find the probability of this standard normal distribution. It's quite simple. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first one, we have the probability of negative 0.73 is less than Z is less than 0.0. All we need to do is to write it out properly with the symmetric curve. So we have our curve to be, the first one is 0.0 minus, and our second curve will be negative 0.73. All we need to do is to put this in, is to show this in the standard normal distribution, and our curve for this will not be, our curve will be this is 0. The first one we have 0, 0, which is this point. 0, 0 is this point, and negative 0.73. Negative 0.73 can be somewhere here because the whole of this part is negative. So we have negative 0.73 if we had used a graph sheet. So all we need to do is to draw down our line. And the next thing to do is to now shade. We shade the portion. So this is how to determine the curve for the standard normal distribution. The next one is our number 2 question. Our number 2, we have the probability of negative 1.79 is less than or equal to Z is less than or equal to negative 0.54, which is equal to pi negative 0.54 minus pi negative 1.79. So what we have here, this is the same thing as, is equal to, writing it out properly, pi 0.54 minus pi negative 1.79. So the next thing to do is to draw our curve. Our curve will be so our curve can be drawn like this. Of course, we know this point is 0. Now we have 0.54 and we have 1.79. Of course, 0.54 will come first. Let's say it will be somewhere here. Negative 0.54 and negative 1.79. Negative 1.79. We have here negative 1.79. So we can now shade. So this is simply how we can compute the probabilities for the standard normal distribution. So we have succeeded in solving the 2 questions that are given here. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.